Good evening to all of you. Today we are going to take up another problem, a very important problem on Bayes theorem from CBSE 12th, that is from exercise 13.3, problem number 7. Before we go into the problem, please subscribe to my YouTube channel RV Maths. I am available on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram channel and Telegram group. My email ID is also given. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon. Then only you can get my notification whenever I post a video on this YouTube channel. Okay, let us go into the problem. I will read the problem for you. An insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers, 4,000 car drivers and 6,000 truck drivers. The probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03 and 0.15 respectively. One of the insured persons meets with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? So the available information has been tabulated for easy understanding. There are three types of drivers: scooter, car, truck. The numbers are 2,000, 4,000, 6,000 as given in the problem, and the probability of meeting with an accident in the respective category of drivers is also given in the problem, which is given in the third row of the table. 0.01 for scooter driver, 0.03 for car driver and 0.05 for truck drivers. See, let us take A is meeting with an accident by a driver. Meeting with an accident by a driver. And we allot D1, D2, D3 as the different category of drivers. D1 for a scooter, D2 car driver and D3 truck drivers. First, let us find out the respective probability for each category. P of D1 is total number of drivers of all the three categories put together, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, so it is 12,000. Out of 12,000, you have the scooter drivers as 2,000. So when you simplify, you are getting 2 by 12. Please don't simplify this like 1 by 6. I will tell you the reason why you should not simplify. Nothing wrong in simplifying, but if you do without simplification, the problem is going to be very simple. For car driver, again out of the total 12,000, number of car drivers is 4,000. So when you cancel the zeros, you are getting 4 by 12. And the last category of driver is number of truck drivers. Out of the total 12,000, it is 6,000. Again when you cancel, you are getting 6 by 12. And when you cancel in the denominator, this will become 1 by 6, this will become 1 by 3 and this will become 1 by 2. So the denominators here, they are common, 12, 12, 12. When you cancel, the denominators will be different. So when you make the simplification, again you have to take the LCM and make the denominator as 12. So in order to avoid duplication of work, I advise you don't simplify this. Now what you are asked to, what else is given? You are given out of the scooter drivers, the probability of meeting with an accident out of scooter drivers is P of A/D1, which is nothing but 0.01. Similarly, P of A/D2, probability of meeting with an accident among car drivers is 0.03. All these probabilities are directly given. You are not making any calculation. Similarly, probability of meeting with an accident by truck drivers is given to be, which is the maximum among the three, 0.15. That tells you the story about our roads and the safety mechanism adapted by our truck drivers. Okay, leave it. Now what is the required probability? The required probability is nothing but somebody is meeting with an accident, it is given, and that person who is meeting with an accident is from the first category of driver, that is scooter driver, as per the problem. So I am going to apply Bayes theorem here. You need not make any mugging up the formula. I will tell you the easy method to remember the Bayes theorem. Whatever is required into P of D1. Whatever is given in the denominator, you write that. And you repeat the same for every category in the denominator, which is called the total probability. So P of D1 into P of D1, there are three categories, plus P of A/D2 into D2, plus P of A/D3 into D3, P of D3. Now if you just substitute and simplify, that will give you the answer. What are the values? P of A/D1 is 0.01 into P of D1 is 2 by 12, and the first term in the denominator is same, 0.01 into 2 by 12 plus P of A/D2 is 0.03 into P of D2. P of D2 is 4 by 12 plus P of D3 into P of A/D3, which is 0.15 into 6 by 12. When you simplify, you will get the answer. It's easy way to simplify. First you substitute the numerator, simplify the numerator, simplify the numerator, .01 into 2 means 0.02 divided by 12 divided by see 12 is common, so I take it as a common denominator. That is why I told you don't simplify those fractions. 0.01 into 2 means 0.02 plus 0.03 into 4 means 0.12 plus 0.15 into 6 means 0.90. Be careful while multiplication. 0.02, 12 cancel. The denominator, when you add 0.02 plus 0.12 means 0.14. 0.14 plus 0.90 means 1.04. When you remove the decimal, both are two decimals, so I can simply remove the decimal. 2 by 1. This can be written as 2 divided by 0.02 is nothing but a 2 divided by 104, and when you simplify you will be getting 1 by 52. That is the final answer for this problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will continue to post such videos on Bayes theorem and other topics on CBSE 12th Maths. You can watch RV Maths of YouTube channel. Thank you very much.